Hello friends, today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to assign structural column in Revit structure software. Okay, so for assigning structural column, first we have to see our structural plans in the project browser. So here we have two structural plans, foundation level and ground floor level. I will be in my foundation level structural plan. Okay, so in the middle this is my drawing area. Okay, so the footings what you are seeing on the screen, these are the footings which we have drawn in our previous tutorial, and down we have one pile cap with 6 piles. Okay, now for these footings I have to assign structural columns. Okay, so for assigning this footing structural columns, first let us see the 3D view of this plan. Okay, now come back to our 2D view. Now we have to assign the structural column. So for assigning structural column, go to ribbon. In the ribbon, select structure tab. In the structure tab, select column. Okay, now in the properties palette, if you see here, we got our default loaded column. So if you want to assign that column, you can assign, or if you want to select different, you can click on the type selector and you can select the different column. So I will select here 24 by 30 column here. If you want to edit the dimensions, you can click on edit type and you can duplicate the file and you can edit the breadth height in the dimensions. Okay, now for assigning column, we'll have here on top, we have here two important options, height, okay, depth and height. So you can change this depth and height. Okay, I will show you these both options. First we'll see the height. Suppose if you want to have assign one column from foundation level to ground floor, so select height and in select ground floor. Okay, now assign column. Then if you see in the elevation, our column has been assigned from foundation level to ground floor level. Okay, this happened why? Because we have selected their height. Okay, now I will show you if we select depth what will happen. Okay, so for that again we have to go in the ribbon, then structure tab, then select column. Then after selecting column, here come on the top, here we will select the depth. Okay, and will not change here anything, let's keep it on like unconnected. Then I will assign here column. After assigning column, you will get a warning like this, means our footing has been moved below. Okay, now if you see in the elevation, our footing is like this, below foundation level is our column and footing is below column. Okay, now again if you want to change, you can click on the column and you can change it from properties palette. Like if you see here, we have your base level, base offset. You can change the top level to ground floor and make 0 base offset, make it as 0. Now in the below you have apply option, apply, and you will get one notification. Click OK and our column has been moved above. So if you see in the elevation, our column has been moved. Okay, now if this is how we apply columns, structural columns in Revit structures. If you still have any doubts while assigning structural columns or editing structural columns, you can contact us through our comments. If you like our tutorials, please do subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. It will definitely help us. Thank you.